In Louisiana, child support is calculated primarily based on the incomes of the husband and the wife. There is a formula that's used, there are schedules that are provided by the legislature and tables that help lawyers calculate the child support obligation. Essentially, the important numbers that you need to look at in calculating child support are the gross incomes of both parties, and by gross income I mean pre-tax income. There's a calculation that needs to be done that's going to result in a monthly payment from one party to the other. It's generally the party who makes more who has to pay the child support, although that's not necessarily the case depending on the custody arrangement. Child support is generally less if the custody arrangement is a 50-50 or what we call shared custody arrangement than if it's a more traditional type every other weekend schedule. If it's 50-50, the paying party is going to owe less because that party is going to have more time with the children and have to bear those expenses. In addition to the monthly payment that one party is going to owe, the parties will have to share expenses based on the ratio of their combined gross income. So for example, if one party makes $100,000 a year and the other makes $50,000 a year, the party who makes $50,000 a year will owe 1/3 of expenses such as tuition, medical expenses, extracurricular activities, and possibly other expenses of the children. The other party will owe 2/3 of those expenses under that example.